Chocolate chip cookies are the carb-loaded cornerstone of America. But what if I told you that you could have your cookies without the carb load, while still preserving the caramel crumb, the decadent chocolate, and the light salty finish that you crave? Here's how. Start with butter. 10 tablespoons of butter will add stability to the dough, provide crisp edges, and once we brown the butter, ensure an infusion of delicious caramel notes. The idea is to brown but not burn the milk solids with a slow simmer. Once you've swirled your way to a caramel color with a nutty aroma, set aside to cool. Almond flour is a low-carb hero. Use 3 1/4 cups and add 1 teaspoon salt and 3/4 teaspoon baking powder. Stir to combine. Back to the brown butter. Add your low-carb sweetener. I'm using 1/2 cup monk fruit. Add the sweet brown butter to your dry ingredients. Next, crack your eggs. The richness of the yolks and the airiness of the whites will help give these cookies an unbeatable texture while keeping the cookie in shape. Add vanilla. This teaspoon of vanilla will add complex undertones, plus it's an antioxidant. Say no more. Combine the wet and dry ingredients and fold in your chocolate chips. You can see that this dough looks just as delicious as any high-carb version. Plus, these chocolate chips are not just delicious, but they also use the smart sweetener stevia. This means fewer carbs and less insulin spikes. Scoop, arrange on a sheet pan, and bake at 375 for 12 minutes. Let cool for 5 minutes if you can. I'm going to dive in. They are delicious and have the perfect texture. Please subscribe for more healthy recipes and bon appetit.